What's the meaning of bêche-de-mer? Bêche-de-mer. Bêche-de-mer.
Bêche-de-mer. Bêche-de-mer. Bêche-de-mer is a French term that refers to a type of sea cucumber that is often dried and consumed as a delicacy in several cultures around the world. It is also known as sea slug, trépang, or bêche-de-mer. The process of harvesting and processing bêche-de-mer involves removing its internal organs and drying the flesh for several days until it becomes hard and shriveled. The end result is a chewy and flavorful ingredient that is used in soups, stews, and other dishes. However, overfishing and illegal harvesting of bêche-de-mer have led to its decline in many areas, threatening the sustainability of this industry.